Hi, I'm Paul Arnold, Product Manager for Commercial Boilers. I'm here today at our Commercial Training Centre in Warwick to tell you 5 things that I love about the Quinta Ace. The first thing I love about the Remeha Quinta Ace boiler is the MK3 controller, which is a twist button full text controller, making it really easy to install and commission the boiler. The second thing I love about the Quinta Ace are the lights, which illuminate the inside of the cabinet, making it really easy to work on the boiler in a dark plant room. The third thing I love about the Quinta Ace is a highly efficient cast aluminium monoblock heat exchanger. The fourth thing I love about the Quinta Ace is the amount of space inside the cabinet, which makes it really easy to get your hands in there and tools when you're servicing the boiler. The fifth thing which I really love about the Quinta Ace is our new range of plate heat exchangers, which feature a bespoke connection set with flange connections to integrate seamlessly with our cascade kits. To find out more about the Quinta Ace and our new range of accessories, please visit the website at www.remeha.co.uk.